Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can overlay videos, use the Splice tool, mask your videos, as well as using the Chroma key, like how you can use it. So first we're going to go over with the overlay. I'm just going to add this video here, and I'll add like this video. And I want to overlay this video on top. Well, it has already been overlaid. As you can see, you can just adjust the size, or you can even go to the blend mode and blend the overlays together. Like so. You can see a little bit of that video still. Next we'll go over the Splice tool. Super simple, just select your video and you can use this button to split. You can use this one to split and delete the right one, and you can use this one to split and delete the left side. Then we are going to go over the mask tool. I'm going to use the video that we used here. Go to mask, and for instance I want to blend these two videos together. Go to the horizontal mask and place it on the horizon part, and you're just going to feather it out to blend it a little bit more, like so. As you can see, you can also blend the videos more together by selecting the video and adjusting the colors a little bit. Like that. Okay. Now we have the Chroma key. We need a green screen for that. So let's go to the green screen tab here and just use one from the stock videos. So I'll just select this one, add it on top. Go to video, go to remove background, go to Chroma key and select the green area of the video and adjust the intensity to remove that bit of green. And that's it, super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!